Hi everyone, this is Sachinarana. In this video, you are going to learn how to use an assign activity in UiPath Studio. I'll just give you the demo how to use an assign activity in UiPath Studio. Let's go to the UiPath Studio and let's create some sequence. Let me give some name. It's a demo one. Let's create this one. Let's close this one. So sequence is nothing but is a kind of an activity, is one of the activity in the year path which executes different activities in a sequential manner. So now you can see the sequence is like this. You can just drag and drop another different activities in this sequence and execute those activities in a sequential manner. So now let's talk about the assign activity. The assign activity is a kind of an activity which used to assign from one variable to another variable, like a is equal to a plus 1 or a is equal to c is equal to a, like that. The typical use cases are like increment. It is mainly used for incrementing the variables in a while loops. You can sum up the values of one or more variables into another variable. Now let's do some sample activity. Let's select for input dialog. Just drag and drop this activity. Let's drag and drop another input in the sequence. Now we have two input dialogs, and we will select assign activity. Just drag and drop, and we will drag drop message box. So now I have is the two input dialog boxes which gets the values from the user, and I'll perform some of the variables, some of the variables of the variables which is used in the input dialogs, like c is equal to a plus b, and uh, assign the values into the another variable like c is equal to a plus b, and display that value using a message box. Now let's create some variables like this. Like someone which is of type integer. Create another variable sum2 which is of type integer. Let's create another variable result. Assign it to the variable integer. Okay, in this input dialog we will select the title as label as please enter first number. Okay, in the second input dialog we'll enter please enter second number. Put in the quotes. Okay, now in this assign, now what you have to do, you have to, 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 you perform some calculation on the variables like sum1 and sum2. Sum1 plus sum2 and assign this value, the sum of the two values into the another variable like sum3. Sorry, it's a result. Okay, once we got this value, we can put it in the message box. The result value put in the message box. Okay, but here the result is like result dot, let's convert it as a toString. Okay, let's run this automation. Rejected toString. See, this input dialog will ask for the first number. Let me enter sum3. He's asking for the second number. Let me enter 6. Now see the result is someone. I forgot to enter this one, and here this for this input dialog I forgot to enter this sum2 values. That's why it's not taking anything. Okay, let me run this automation. This first it's asking for the first number and it's asking for the second number. See, then the total the sum of the result is 9. So this so in this manner we can use this assign activity to perform assigning one variable to another variable or performing some computation values into another variable and use it in your programming language. Like how you can use it in the programming language, similarly you can use it in the UiPath automation for this assign activity. Hope you understand like how to use an assign activity in UiPath. Thank you for watching.